I don't have enough space in my living room to put a end table beside my couch. I have my drink on the floor, remotes, phone all over the place. So when I came across this, I knew this is exactly what I needed. It is so cool, so easy to install. You just need to screw on these two pieces here, and that is it. So check this out. You've got these here, which is on a hinge. So this is going to fit a wide range of couches. As you can see, look how massive my couch arm is, and it fits perfectly. So, and it's got these little like grips on it. So once you put it down, it just kind of snaps around it, and it is literally not going to move anywhere. My massive water bottle fits in here. Of course, you can put different size like soda cans, you can put glasses, whatever. And then this little rotating piece here, you can put your phone, or you can even put a tablet. It stands up this way, but for me, I'm watching shows sitting here like this. And then of course you got the tray. You can put your snacks, you can put your remotes, and then everything you need is right here for you to be watching, relaxing, and not have your stuff all over the place.